In video number 11, we had covered a numerical related to radius of orbit. And in video number 12, we had covered a numerical related to energy of orbit. And today, in this video, we shall cover a numerical which is the combined concept of radius of orbit and energy of the orbit. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Bisala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. In this video, we shall solve a numerical related to Bohr's atomic model, and the numerical is a combined concept of radius of orbit and energy of orbit. Let's see the numerical. The radii of two of the first four orbits of hydrogen atom are in the ratio of 1:4, and we need to find out the energy difference between them. Let me tell you how to solve this. It is given that the radii of two orbits, out of the first four, it can be any two orbits, is in the ratio of 1:4. Then for the same orbits, we need to find out the energy difference, isn't it? This is what given in the numerical. So what we need to do? First, we need to find out among the first four orbits of hydrogen atom, which two orbits are having the radius ratio of 1:4, and then we will calculate their energies. So first calculate the radius of the orbit, and that is given by the formula Rn is equal to 0.529 into n square upon z angstrom units. So as we don't know which of the two orbits are having the radii 1:4, let us calculate the radius of all the first four orbits separately. R1 is equal to 0.529 into 1 square angstrom units. R2 is equal to 0.529 into n square is 2 here, 2 square means 4 angstrom units. Then R3, this is 0.529 into 3 square, that is 9 angstrom units, and R4 is 0.529 into 4 square, that is 16 angstrom units. Now we need to find out which two orbits are having the ratio of the radii as 1:4. If you take the case of R1 is to R2, see here 0.529 and 0.529 is common, definitely we will be getting as 1:4. And if I take R1 is to R3, definitely the value is 1:9 here, because 0.529 is common in both of them, it is 1:9. And if you take R1 is to R4, it is 1:16. Let us take the other combinations. R2 is to R3, this is 4:9, and R2 is to R4, this is 4:16, and this becomes 1:4. And the last one, R3 is to R4, is nothing but 9:16. So now from this, find out which of them are having the radius ratio as 1:4. This is one and this is other one, isn't it? So now what we need to do? We need to find out the energies of the first orbit, second orbit, here also second orbit is involved, as well as the fourth orbit. And we have the energy expression En is equal to minus 13.6 by n square z square into z square electron volt per atom. So no need to calculate the energy of all the orbits. We will calculate for first orbit, which is minus 13.6 electron volt. I am not writing the unit here for convenience purpose. And energy of second orbit is minus 13.6 divided by n square, that is 2 square 4, which is minus 3.4. And fourth energy orbit is minus 13.6 divided by 4 square, that is 16, which is equal to minus 0.85. So now what we need to do? We need to find out the energy difference. So energy difference between E2 and E1, this is minus 3.4 minus of minus plus 13.6. This becomes equal to 10.2. Then the energy difference between E4 and E2, that is minus 0.85 minus of minus plus 3.4. This is equal to 2.55. So now we can conclude that the energy difference between the orbits whose radii is 1:4 can be, what are the values? It can be either 10.2 or 2.55. Is it clear? Let's see, it is present in which option? Yes, it is there in option B. So the answer for this particular question is option B. What we have done here? We first got the orbit numbers whose radius ratio can be 1:4, and then we calculated the energy difference between them. And that is the end of this particular question. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video with a different numerical.